Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Problem of the Day with Miss Allen. So remember, boys and girls, you have to try to do the problem on your own, and now we are going to self-assess. When we assess or when we attempt to solve a problem, remember to use the S.O.L.V.E method, where you underline the question, circle the important parts, line up a plan, and then try to use those strategies to find the answer. Okay, so today's problem is the letter E. Before we begin, we have to read the problem. So Miss Cameron loves her friends. She buys 7 flowers. She gives 3 flowers to one friend and 2 flowers to another. How many flowers does she have left? Okay. I went ahead and underlined the question, and the question is, how many flowers does Miss Cameron have left? I circled, she buys 7 flowers, and she gives 3 flowers to one friend and 2 flowers to another friend. Guys, remember, this problem is asking us to find the number or the amount of flowers, if you look at your picture clues, the amount of flowers Miss Cameron have left. So let's draw a picture. First, Miss Cameron has 7 flowers. Let's draw our 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers. Okay, so we have 7 flowers. Okay. Miss Cameron gives 3 flowers to one friend. When we give something away, we have to cross it out. So that means that this is a taking away problem. So let's cross out the 3 flowers she gave to one friend. 1, 2, 3. Are we done? No, we are not. Let's read on. And she gives 2 flowers to another friend. So that means we need to take away 2 more flowers, right? 1, 2. And that's how many Miss Cameron has left. Put a check. Let's do it using our cubes. So we have 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's always good to double check. Miss Cameron gives 3 flowers away. 1, 2, 3. We break it off. 3 when she gave to a friend. And then she gives 2 more flowers away. 1, 2. We took that away. Okay? So that's what we're going to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We started with 7. A 7 cube stick. Miss Allen took out 3 that represent the 3 flowers Miss Cameron gave to her first friend. And then 2 more flowers that she gave to another friend. So Miss Cameron had 7 flowers. Remember, a minus sign. Okay? So first she took away 3. So let's do that. 7, take away 3. Right? So we had 7. We're going to do this in steps. So we had 7. And then Miss Cameron took away 3. 1, 2, 3. And she had 4 left. But that was just step 1. Now she has 4. And she had to take away. So now we have 4. Take away 2 more. Let's take away the 2, and now we have 2 left. Make sure and circle your answer. So this was a multi-step problem. You guys see that? We had to do 2 equations. Let's do it on the number line. She started with 7. When we go to the right, we add. When we go to the left, we minus. Or you can say when we go forward, we add. And when we go backward, we take away. right? So now she took away 3. We're looking at exactly our pictures, our cues, and our equations. So 1, 2, 3. She landed on the 4. But she didn't end there because she gave 2 to another friend. So let's hop 2 more times. 1, 2. Circle your answer. Okay, boys and girls? Now let's use our 10 frame. We're going to put in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Miss Cameron gave 3 to a friend. 1, 2, 3. Then she gave 2 to another friend. 1, 2. And there you go. Okay, boys and girls? We can go ahead and write our answer. So our answer is we have 2 here, we have 2 here, we have 2, 2, and 1, 2. We can say 2. What is this problem asking us to find? The amount of flowers Miss Cameron have left. So don't forget to put flowers, Flowers. Okay? And then challenge yourself. Mr. Fino gives Miss Cameron 5 more flowers. So Miss Cameron has 2 flowers, right? Let's underline the question. How many flowers does she have now? And Mr. Fino gives Miss Cameron 5 more flowers. Miss Cameron has 2 flowers. I'm going to draw the 2 flowers. Miss Defino gives Miss Cameron. Miss Cameron is not giving anyone anymore. Miss Defino is giving Miss Cameron 5 more flowers. So now Miss Cameron has 2 flowers. And Miss Defino wants to give her 5 flowers. This is a putting together problem. So first it was a taking away problem. And now Miss Defino is giving Miss Cameron 5 more. So we have to add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 2 and we have 5. How many does Miss Cameron have now? 2 and 5. Let's count on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now Miss Cameron got back her 7 flowers. And you can use your challenge to write a number bond. So let's do our number bond with the challenge problem. Okay. So we have 2 as one part and 5 as another part. And when we put them together, we got 7. Boys and girls, the problems are getting harder. It's no longer simple step problems. It's multi-step problems. So we need to pay attention to our story, okay? Our math story. Hope you had a good time checking your work today. And see you guys soon.